What if bacteria could be the key to unlocking cost-effective, zero-carbon hydrogen fuel? Researchers at the University of Oxford are making this a reality. By bioengineering bacteria to become hydrogen nanoreactors, they're paving the way for green hydrogen production, a crucial step towards decarbonizing sectors like aviation and shipping. Traditional hydrogen production relies heavily on fossil fuels, emitting significant CO2. But this new method uses sunlight to split water, producing hydrogen without carbon emissions. The team engineered the bacterium Schwannella onidensis to concentrate electrons, protons, and hydrogenase in a tiny space, enhancing hydrogen production. They introduced a light-activated electron pump and nanoparticles to boost electron transfer, achieving a 10-fold increase in hydrogen yield. This innovative approach not only makes hydrogen production more efficient but also safer and more cost-effective by using renewable resources. The natural periplasm of S. onidensis creates an optimal environment for hydrogen production, reducing energy requirements and increasing efficiency. The potential of this technology extends to creating artificial leaves that produce hydrogen when exposed to sunlight, offering a scalable solution. This breakthrough builds on previous successes in synthetic biology, including bioengineering non-photosynthetic bacteria to become photosynthetic. With ongoing research and international collaboration, this technology could revolutionize clean energy production and provide sustainable solutions for various industries.